All right, now it's the day of the event. You've been given a lot of the wrestlers' weights from their coaches. You've already entered those. Here's your current wrestlers. Here's the divisions. The brackets haven't been created yet, so we have girls 10 and under 55. So we have all these divisions, etc. And there's nothing in the settings as of yet. But anyway, so right here we're going to just follow this pre-session checklist. So the first thing we're going to need to do is confirm number of mats. So let's go ahead and do that. And this event is going to have 9 mats set up. All right. Once that's done, next step is to complete weigh-ins. Another thing I forgot to mention is we actually have sessions here. So the second session right here, you can complete weigh-ins, you can confirm number of mats, etc. You can do all that there, but they should keep it separated out. So for weigh-ins, also sessions apply. So here's the second session, first session. And these are the wrestlers that are left. We have 13 that haven't weighed in yet. Let's go ahead and say this guy was 122 pounds. Perfect. We got 12 left. All right, and the rest of the people didn't show up, actually. Let's say they're scratched. So weigh-ins are ending. Let's go ahead and end these weigh-ins. Currently looking at weigh-ins for Session 1 wrestlers. There are 12 wrestlers not yet weighed in. Mark these athletes as absent and end weigh-ins. Look through here. Yes, end weigh-ins. Create matchups. So what this is going to do is it's going to pair and bracket them up as best as it thinks. I gotta refresh that. So if we come here, we can see that it's actually already been bracketed. Here we have 6 and under, 37A. 37A for girls. As you can see right here, you have 2 divisions. One doesn't have any actual partners, so what we can do is first call the parents or coaches, ask them if they would want to move their wrestler to the open. If so, great. We're going to update this to 8-man bracket and then move this person over here. Sure, let's see how this works. And then you go through here. And I forgot to mention that currently the max bracket size is 8. I found this to go great with youth events. One, there's less matches to wrestle overall in the tournament. And 2, it allows more medals be given out to more athletes. It's not entirely participant driven, but it does give more opportunities for kids to wrestle people their own skill level. So we got through here. So let's go through this and complete bracketing. Let's say everything is good. We're going to complete bracketing. It's going to go through and start creating the matchups. And after that, it'll create the actual matches that will be wrestled. Advance any buys, etc. So it looks like there's 102 total brackets for this session, with about an estimated match count of 962, divided across 9 mats. For some reason, let's see here, assign match numbers. That math is wrong. But as you can see here, this is not good because we apply the brackets evenly across the mats. The only problem here is that mat number 1 has been overloaded. It has 82 matches, whereas mat number 8 is only going to have 40 matches. So what we're going to do is start moving these around to the best of our ability. I want around 50 to 55 wrestlers or matches per mat. So let's go ahead and start adjusting these down. This one, I can actually move this 6 over. So here we're stuck with 92. Let's start shoving these bigger wrestlers down. We have some 60 pounders. So 55, 55, 58. I can come over and maybe this 52A. So there's 54. Yeah, these are ordered by weight, so size. I know size matters because some mats are smaller than others. We usually have the smaller wrestlers down near the mats 1, 2, and 3, and 4 in case they have quarter mats or half mats. So let's slowly start moving these matches down to distribute them evenly. The next thing I'm going to be working on as the developer is automating this process to not even need this, just nothing but a confirmation. So this should be the last bracket that I'll want to move down. Like this one only has 43. We got to divide these next ones up. Start moving down, down. Alright, 6 more. Let's do this. 63. Perfect. 57 will work. Move these down. Bump, bump, bump. 54, 58. Let's move these over here. That's 46. Let's distribute these more so. It's 54, 55. We'll move this one back over here. So we have 52, 52, 54, 54, 55, 54, 55, 54, 54. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and confirm the mat assignments, supplying these match numbers. And once it does, we'll be ready to start the event. And there we go. We have our matches numbered. Let's go ahead and look through here. Excellent. We're ready to start the event.